Well, you wouldn't know it if you hadn't seen the video we posted, but we got like a record-setting storm last night. Something that even talking to locals around here in Western North Carolina say is really rare to get as much rain as we did last night. So I'm back home from work, and now just begins the cleanup process. I'm going to take you on a tour. Now that it's nice and clear, you can get a really good idea as to how bad the damage is. I'm gonna go see if I can go get that culvert unstuck up there.
Good luck.
Yeah. I don't know if the camera does it justice at how big these ruts are and how much of this rock actually washed out, but it's bad. You can't get up here unless you got four-wheel drive right now. Yes, it did. Look, we lost drain pipes. I mean, oh gosh, it's crazy. This is the worst of it right here. I'll give you an idea if this helps. It's about up to my knee. All right, so here's the biggest problem right now. There is a culvert under the road, and you can see that it is not doing its job. This is how much water we got. This is normally about 3 feet deep or so, and it is filled to the top with rocks that wash down. So I think if I dig away enough to try to get the water to go down even a little bit, I'm hoping that momentum from the water will help start to wash out the rest of the rock that's there. All right, well, I got it to go down the culvert. I've got this big cinder block that washed down that I really need to get out of the way for this to flow right. And it's surrounded by all those rocks, so it's just like grabbing onto it. So I need to see if I can get that out of there. And then I think we'll be good with this culvert for now. And we need to just go around and double check the rest of them and see what we need to do. This pipe on the ground was the whole system for my ram pump for pumping water out of the creek into our storage tank. It destroyed the entire system. So that'll be a project for another day to go ahead and try to get that rebuilt and fixed. I do have a backup pump. It's a gas-powered pump. I only use when I need to. And it didn't wash down, but all the hoses and everything attached to it did. The interesting thing is about all this work I'm putting in is I'm actually not even responsible for these culverts. There is a homeowners association further up the road from us. We're not a part of it, but they're actually responsible for the road. And of course, I don't mind helping out and clearing them out, but if there's any major repairs or anything that need to be done, they're supposed to do it. I should dig that culvert out because it's running over the road. I don't know if you see it this morning.
Hell yeah, dude. It was gnarly, dude, man.
There's a bunch of cinder blocks in there, and
all kind of shit in there washed up.
It's bad.
I know. I'm now looking at the road, and I know we scraped it a little bit. I don't know how I even got up here yesterday.
Dude, you just plowed through it.
I know. I had to.
The check engine light when we got to the house was blinking. And
Was
I
it?
was like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh.
I got it all on film of you crashing through there too.
Did you really?
Yeah. All right, y'all. That's it for now. I just wanted to give a quick update. We put a short video on Instagram and we put a full-length video on YouTube about what we went through yesterday with the storm. And some of you showed some concern, you know, just expressing how crazy it looked here at the homestead, and I just appreciate all of it. But everything's good. No animals got hurt, nobody got hurt, no real serious damage. There's nothing we can't fix. So we're gonna work on that. We'll continue to update you as we fix everything and get it right again. All right, see ya.